In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get USAA Renters Insurance. To get started, go to the USAA website. Before you do anything else, make sure you're actually eligible for USAA membership, because renters insurance is only available to qualifying members. In general, that includes eligible military members, veterans, pre-commissioned officers, and certain qualifying family members. Taking a moment to confirm eligibility first can save you time before you begin the quote process. Next, gather the rental information you'll need. This makes the application much smoother and helps you get a more accurate quote. Have your rental property address ready, along with the type of residence, such as an apartment, condo, or house. You'll also want your expected move-in date, an estimate of the value of your personal belongings, and details about any security features in the home, like smoke detectors or alarm systems. The more accurate this information is, the better your quote will reflect your actual needs. Once you have that ready, head to the Renters Insurance section on the USAA website and request a quote. You'll be asked to enter details about the rental property and the coverage you want. Take your time here, because the choices you make will affect both your protection and your monthly costs. After that, choose your coverage. A typical renter's insurance policy can include personal property protection for your belongings, personal liability coverage, additional living expenses if your rental becomes uninhabitable, and medical payments to others. Depending on what you own, you may also want to look into optional coverage for valuables or electronics. This is especially helpful if you have items that may need more protection than a standard policy provides. Then select your deductible. This is the amount you would pay out of pocket before insurance helps cover a claim. A higher deductible usually means a lower monthly premium, while a lower deductible often means a higher premium but less out-of-pocket expense if something happens. Choose the option that feels realistic for your budget. Before you finalize anything, carefully review the policy details. Check your coverage limits, deductible, premium, and any optional endorsements you added. This is a good time to make sure everything matches what you need and that nothing was overlooked. If everything looks good, complete the purchase and set up your payment method. Once your policy is active, save your proof of insurance. You can usually access it online through the USAA mobile app or request a copy through available delivery options. Keep that document handy, since many landlords require proof of renter's insurance before move-in.